Hey there! Today we're going to look at how to enable dynamic input in AutoCAD. So let's get started. First, understand that dynamic input is a handy feature in AutoCAD. It shows prompts and dimensions near your cursor, making your workflow more interactive and easy to control. Over here, look at the status bar at the bottom of AutoCAD window and find the dynamic input button. It is usually there for quick access. After that, if you cannot see it, click on the customization button with 3 horizontal lines in the status bar and open the list of features. Then select dynamic input from that list and it will instantly appear in your status bar so you can toggle it anytime easily. Over here, click the dynamic input button to turn it on, and now when you draw or edit, you will see prompts and dimensions directly near your cursor. After that, use these on-screen prompts to enter values directly in the workspace, making your design process faster, smoother, and more focused. Then, if you prefer a shortcut, simply press the F12 key to turn dynamic input on or off anytime, no matter which command you're using. Over here, use F12 during any command or editing work, and it will quickly activate or deactivate dynamic input instantly. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.